Who are your favorite vloggers?
Trisha Paytas on YouTube made the best vlogs. 2 hours of her doing absolutely nothing.
लेकिन एक तो मैं तो पागल हुई हूँ,
वो तो है.
ठीक है. When I see people vlogging a lot, I'm like shit, हमारी दुनिया का क्या हो रहा है? Like what's the point of vlogging? Like, I don't understand really. I'm just doing it because I don't know.
Tiring.
But
Like okay.
like why do people watch my vlog? What do they get?
Personality.
Yeah, but what do they get in general by watching vlogs? Like,
I think they get company. They get the feeling that they're hanging out with their friends, you know. Like that's why I watch vlogs, because I don't want to feel alone.
do you think eating momos and making vlogs, like when I'm eating momos, is a smart choice?
Yeah,
it's a smart idea.
Like the whole point of a vlog is that you just go about your daily life. You just document it, and it's really like a sense of companionship. But anyway, I was saying for me, like, so I have many vlogs. Okay, I'll show you in my phone of me talking to the camera about stuff that's on my mind, and I never do anything with it. But like years later, I can go back and watch कि भाई 3 साल पहले मैं ये सोच रही थी, and तब और अब के बीच में कितना change आ गया मेरी life में, मेरे thoughts में, मेरे thinking, मेरे appearance में भी. Like it's a
But then it makes
time
sense.
capsule.
It's personal. Like you were doing it for yourself. But if I am doing or anyone else is vlogging, it's for the camera, it's for the for YouTube, social media. So
but I feel like
really
the vloggers that I've liked the best, like I'm a big fan of Emma Chamberlain's vlogs, and I feel like the reason I connect with her is because she doesn't make it for the viewers or for YouTube. It feels like she's just making it for herself, and unhone dal di. So I feel like you can approach it that way, that you're making it for you. Like if someone else sees it and relates and connects, that's great. But if you start already at the beginning start thinking कि नहीं मुझे किसी और को दिखाने के लिए बनाना है, तो थोड़ा change हो जाता है. Authenticity थोड़ी कम हो जाती है. I don't know. I mean, could be. Who's your favorite vlogger?
none.
You don't have any favorite vlogger?
Like I don't really see vlogs. I was not just say watching YouTube that much until unless I started working here. Now, so I see a lot of videos. I'm actually I knew that it was there,
Right.
but I was not watching
Yeah.
because I was like, क्या ही करूँगी? Like I was rather on Netflix, Prime. I was watching a lot of things there.
Scripted
But the moment I started working here and I got exposed to the content, good content,
Yeah.
and I'm like, wow, people are doing like real shit.
Yeah. So if you start watching vlogs, maybe you'll start enjoying them. But I've watched vlogs for like since YouTube existed. Because I was a very lonely child. I was alone. Like I didn't have any friends. So YouTubers were my friends, like Shane Dawson and like Zoella, like these guys. Michelle Phan used to do makeup and stuff.
Oh wow. But do you think it has all gone, like the saturation point is here, like we are above it and over it? Or
I
not?
don't think so. No. I feel like everybody has their own personality. Like whenever I encounter somebody online who I like, whose page I like I follow them, I get invested in their life. And like everyone has something new to contribute to the world. Like there's no such thing as saturation. In my opinion. It's just my opinion.
I think you can be a good content creator. Like I think you can be a good content creator also, because I don't think if you think too much about it, like too much, I'll get into the depths कि नहीं
You'll get
अगर
conscious.
fame मिल जाएगा, not even conscious. I'm confident in the sense कि I'll be in front of the camera, then I'll be doing कुछ भी. But फिर पहले मैं इतना सोचती नहीं थी. When it was new, I was like ठीक है for the fun of it, and then God followed. But now I think if I'm doing this, what is the outcome? Like what it is adding into my life? It's adding nothing. Like why would you do transition? But
it might add something to someone's
ना
life.
वही see ना, like perspective.
You can't attach value to the outcome when you're making it. You just have to do it like
Do it for the
क्या
sake of
कहते हैं कि कर्म करो फल
फल की
मिलता है.
Actually, I think too much about
I
it.
think you are now focusing too much on the outcome कि होगा क्या इसका, कौन
क्या
देखेगा,
इसका, हाँ.
कौन व्यूअर बनेगा, कोई क्यों देखना चाहेगा मेरी लाइफ. But you would be surprised at the random shit that all of us watch. I'll be watching uncles making eat.
What?
You know this story.
Oh yeah. I had to
I
for
like the reaction for the camera. Like, I will sit and watch 2 minutes of this guy explaining how to make meat. So you never know, somebody would watch this and be an aspiring vlogger and be thinking the same things as you, or like be wondering, okay, like, why is there an extra P on every word or a T on every word?
But there was extra T and extra A.
Yeah.
But there was this singer also, like, and he was like, I want to sing for everyone. One day I was watching, like, even laborers, like, doing their work or dancing to my music, and it's so inspiring ki bhai, now it's a pressure, I have to create song for all type of
And
audience.
pressure kills creativity. Like, once you
I
start stressing about, okay, what are people gonna say when I watch it, when I release something, you're not making it for you anymore. Like, you're not creating as an artist, then you're just creating to, like, service someone else, and you can never please everybody. But I'll show you, like, later, after this vlog,
Yeah.
I'll show you, like, the vlogs that I've made.
Do you think people pleaser can be a good content creator?
Honestly, I think anyone can be a content creator, but I think that trying to people please through your content is going to not result in good content. Because you're just gonna every day be changing your strategy. कोई एक कमेंट आ जाएगा कि ऐसा टाइप का बनाओ, फिर आप ऐसा टाइप का बना लोगे, फिर कोई और बोलेगा मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगता तो वो बनाओ, तो आप बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो. You'll be pulled in every which way.
पता है, मुझे तो आइडियाज़ आते हैं, 4 दिन में बनाती हूँ, खुश हूँ कि वाह मेरे आइडियाज़, फिर मैं आगे कभी सोचती थी, फिर मैं ऐसे करूँगी वैसे करूँगी, और चौथे दिन बाद आई स्टॉप.
Well, that's the problem. Sometimes, like, creativity is not an infinite supply, but you still have to keep creating. And a lot of writers and stuff, like, they force themselves.
करना ही है.
There are very famous writers who, very famous story, I think it was Emerson, he told his wife that handcuff me to my desk naked and don't let me get up until I finish my novel.
Wow.
And he, like, people will isolate themselves in the woods and not let them leave until they finish. So it's hard. Like, I think creativity is hard. And
So who are your favorite vloggers?
Emma Chamberlain,
And-
for sure. Kanis Surkha makes good vlogs.
Okay.
Tanmay Bhatt makes good vlogs.
Oh, yeah, then reactions, right?
Vlogs,
No,
vlogs.
vlogs.
Like daily life vlogs.
Oh wow.
I watch Shane Dawson because, like, I've always watched him forever. Like, I like the really raw ones. Like, the very unedited, unfiltered. Trisha Paytas too. You know.
No, obviously not. I'm just.
Okay, guys.
I'm recording for
Guys,
I'm
this
gonna
is
check it out.
Trisha Paytas on YouTube made the best vlogs. 2 hours of her doing absolutely nothing.
Wow.
Her literally saying the most obscene things, like, on camera, and just like what did people do before gravity was invented?
Wow. Ooh, oh wow.
Like, anyway, I mean, she would say really funny stuff, and I used to love that.
But I also think like मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली कि एक तो मैं तो पागल हुई,
वो तो है.
ठीक है. मुझे ऐसा है कि मुझे पूरी दुनिया की टेंशन हो जाती है. अगर पोल्यूशन चालू हो जाता है तो मुझे लगने लगता है वो शिट, अब पूरी दुनिया का क्या होगा. आई गेट डिप्रेस्ड ओवर दैट. सेम विद दैट व्हेन आई सी पीपल व्लॉगिंग अ लॉट, आई एम लाइक शिट, हमारी दुनिया का क्या हो रहा है. सब लोग व्लॉग्स करेंगे, सब वीडियो बना रहे हैं, तो क्या प्रोफेशन रह जाएगा, क्या लॉयर, क्या डॉक्टर.
This is too much
Like-
thinking. Overthinker.
फिर ऑन दी अदर हैंड मेरा पॉइंट क्या था, बट
All these vlogs of me talking. I was just showing Kashish, like, from 2023 July. And I'm, like, telling these stories of stuff that's happening on my vacation.
wow.
And, like, I've obviously never uploaded it anywhere.